Here's a secret millionaires rarely talk about. Wealth doesn't start with money, it starts with a thought. How you think about money determines whether it flows into your life or constantly slips away. Welcome to Sharp Mindset, the home of clarity, wealth, and success. Today we're breaking down a mindset shift that separates those who stay broke from those who quietly build financial freedom. Stick with me until the end because this one shift can completely change the way you handle money. Money isn't just numbers in your bank account, it's a reflection of your mindset. Think about this. If you believe money is scarce, every decision you make will be rooted in fear. You'll hesitate to invest, avoid opportunities, and spend impulsively because deep down you don't trust that more is coming. But if you believe money can grow, you start making choices that align with that belief. You'll budget with discipline, invest with patience, and spot opportunities others overlook. This isn't magic, it's psychology. Psychologists call it confirmation bias. Your brain constantly searches for evidence that proves your beliefs true. If you believe money is hard to get, your brain notices bills, expenses, and reasons to hold back. But if you believe money flows when I manage it well, your brain highlights business ideas, smart investments, and ways to grow your income. In short, your financial life follows your financial beliefs. So what's the trick? It's simple. Replace limiting money beliefs with empowering ones, and back them up with small, consistent actions. Instead of telling yourself, I can't afford this, ask yourself, how can I afford this? Instead of saying money always slips through my fingers, affirm, I direct my money where it grows. These small shifts reprogram your brain to search for solutions, not problems. But mindset alone isn't enough. You must prove it with action. Here's how you align belief with practice. Budgeting. If you believe money works for you, prove it by giving every dollar a job. Track your spending, cut waste, and assign part of your income towards savings and investments. Emergency fund. If you believe you're capable of building wealth, prove it by setting aside a safety net. Even $20 a week compounds into thousands over time. Investing. If you believe money grows, take action by putting it into something that compounds, whether it's index funds, real estate, or a side business. Skill building. If you believe your value can increase, invest in learning a skill that raises your earning power. Each small action reinforces the mindset, and over time, the results compound. Let me paint a picture. Two people earn the same salary. Person A believes money is scarce. They live paycheck to paycheck, buy liabilities, and tell themselves, I'll never get ahead. Years later, they're in the same spot, stressed and stuck. Person B earns the same amount but believes money grows when I manage it wisely. They budget, invest a little each month, and spend on skills instead of distractions. At first, their progress is slow, but after a few years, compound interest, skills, and habits multiply their wealth. They now have options: financial freedom, security, and growth. Same income, different beliefs, completely different outcomes. Here's why this works. Wealth builds the same way compound interest grows. One positive money belief plus one small smart action equals sign momentum. Momentum repeated daily equals sign habits. Habits sustained over years equal sign wealth. This is why the rich seem to get richer. It's not always because of huge paychecks. It's because their beliefs and actions compound over time. And here's the part most people overlook. Your environment either supports or destroys your wealth mindset. If you surround yourself with people who constantly complain about money, you'll adopt their scarcity thinking. If you consume only content about spending and trends, you'll waste instead of investing. But if you surround yourself with financial education, growth-minded people, and wealth-building habits, your beliefs strengthen. Protect your financial mindset the way millionaires protect their assets, because one wrong influence can drain both. So here's the truth. Wealth doesn't begin with luck, inheritance, or even a high-paying job. It begins with a thought, a belief that money can work for you. Your first step is simple. Change the way you talk about money. Stop saying, I can't afford this. Start asking, how can I afford this? Stop believing I'll never be rich. Start affirming I'm building wealth step by step. Stop treating money like a mystery. Start managing it with intention. Because once your thoughts align with your actions, wealth is no longer something you chase. It becomes something you naturally attract and build. If this message sparked something in you, give this video a like, subscribe to Sharp Mindset, and share it with someone ready to build their financial future. Because the right money mindset today is the foundation for wealth tomorrow.